Hello, I'm Dr. Michael Cronin. I'm a naturopathic physician. I've been practicing in Arizona for 34 years, and I practice as a general practitioner with emphasis on physical medicine. So we work on people's diets, we evaluate their endocrine system, their digestion, their allergies, but I tend to put additional focus on the physical structure. So I'm treating neck pain, back pain, but especially extremity pains like shoulders, knees, and hips. When we have traumatic events, anything from an auto accident to an old sports injury, we are left with remnants of trauma. These can be ligament strains, they can be cartilage tears, they can be the development of chronic degenerative disease like arthritis that develops from these acute injuries into chronic problems. And naturopathic medicine has been a very effective way to treat these injuries. One of the ways certainly we treat it is by decreasing inflammation, by cleaning up people's diets and using botanical medicines to treat pain and inflammation. But we also directly treat the cause of strained ligaments and injured joint capsules and torn cartilage. And that therapy is naturopathic physical medicine and incorporates two very unique components in addition to manipulation and physiotherapy and acupuncture, but also addresses something called prolotherapy and platelet therapy. And prolotherapy is the injection of nutrients into ligaments to strengthen them. It's the injection of nutrients into the joint capsules to enhance the metabolism of cartilage. It's to inject nutrients into the ligaments of the back in terms of strengthening them so people don't need to be addicted to adjustments. So this concept of tightening ligaments and strengthening joint capsules in order to decrease hypermobility, because an excessively mobile joint in a knee or a shoulder or a hip will degenerate the cartilage longer. So if you tighten up the joint capsule, you treat the ligament strains, the rotator cuffs, you have a more stable joint in order to which do muscle rehab on and re-establish the structural integrity of the joint. I'd like to explain a second component of naturopathic physical medicine, and that is platelet therapy, or platelet-rich plasma, or PRP. And platelet-rich plasma is when we draw someone's blood, we centrifuge it, and we take off the platelet component of the blood, basically eliminating red blood cells and some of the plasma, so we have a platelet-rich concentrate. And platelets have the ability, when injected into torn ligaments, strained joint capsules, or torn cartilage, to stimulate regeneration of these structures. They do it by directly stimulating the DNA, the genetic engineering of these joints in order to stimulate a rejuvenative capacity that these have. So for many chronic arthritic knees, for even sometimes bone-on-bone hips, for chronic long-standing back pain, for whiplash injuries, we're able to use platelets, which when they are in contact with your own body, because they use the word autologous, means that it's your platelets that we inject into your tissues, and those platelets will genetically stimulate the healing of rotator cuff tears, cartilage tears, and chronic pain. So this is used in conjunction with our nutrition, our rehabilitative exercises, botanical medicine, and enhancing your metabolism through the rest of the naturopathic modalities.